welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. So, a little while ago I unboxed this kit, which makes a little house, and I finally finished the diamond painting part of it. So I thought I would have you come along with me as I put it together, and then we can look at the finished item. First things first, you can see that I have plenty of diamonds left over. They really were very generous. So yeah, no worries there at all. Plenty. And they're definitely going to be going into my spares. I do love a little bit of rhinestone. So yeah, this is all the pieces all done. So now I just have to figure out how to put them together. So this is our floor. This is a panel of roof. And this is a wall. Pop you out of there. Come on. Oh, I need my little pokey tool that I was using for the book nook. But in lieu of that, tweezers always work. There we go. Come on. There we go. So yeah, I've never done anything like this before. This kind of 3D wooden kit. I'm hoping that it will all come together nice and easily. And if it does, I've already bookmarked another couple. So they're sitting in my cart, but we'll see how this one turns out first before I actually get in and purchase more. Oops, there we go. So it seems like we've got these little bits here that are going to lock everything in place, she says, guessing. Right, so let's start by putting things through the floor. So yeah, as you slide bits down, we've got these bits here, and then one of shrooms. We're going to pop these little bits through. I don't know if putting the bottom on first is the right way to do it, but we will see. Have I caused a problem? Maybe not. Maybe putting the bottom on last would have been the way to go. Okay, let's try that. At least I know it's easy enough to get it undone. Yeah, I think I'll put all the walls together. That looks right. That's fine. I'm probably making this far more complicated than it needs to be. Right, so other wall. This kit was the Lavender house. As I said, there are others available. I particularly like the look of the, there's like a little toadstool one. Which I'm definitely going to get. And there's one with sunflowers. There's also like a beach hut one, and the little leaflet that came with it shows a oh, see, they're showing to do the back first, and the, I don't know, it's fine, I'm doing it this way now. So yeah, this one shows like a Halloween one, but I haven't actually seen that one for sale. Roof panels, they have a darker bit at the bottom, so you can see the way that the sort of roof tiles go. So yeah, I did say when I unboxed this, I was surprised at the size of it, because it was really difficult to tell from the listing exactly how big it was going to end up being. And yeah, it's actually a really nice size. Go on. Right, now we just need to put the eaves on. And that should lock everything in place. I guess if you wanted to, you could add glue as well, but it didn't say to add glue, and therefore I'm taking it at its word that it should hold up, and it definitely seems to be. Final part of the roof. Come on. line up. Oh. Now we can put the floor on. Right. Is there a right way and a wrong way for this? Now, once I've put the floor on, obviously you won't be able to get in there anymore. But my plan is to put some fairy lights inside, just so that they'll twinkle a little bit in there. But the way to get at them will be to undo this bottom bit. And again, if you wanted this, you know, more permanently secured, obviously you could use a little bit of glue. Right, so here we go. Here is our little house all done. So you can see it's lovely and sparkly. It's so cute. It's very kitsch, but I do like it. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to go. I had thought about maybe hanging it outside. It's got this little hook so you could hang it, but we've had some really high winds recently and I'm not sure it would stand up to that. So for now I think it's just gonna sit on a shelf somewhere and be cute. I do like it's got this little window. Almost looks like I got this the other day as a little Happy Mail gift. I feel like maybe this could be her house, so I feel like they go nicely together. So that's where we're at with this. I will pop links for it down below and link to my original unboxing so you can go and check that out. I'm actually really pleased with it. I am this problem, I think, when it comes to putting it together. But yeah, I'm really pleased. It's very, very cute. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for joining me as always. I'm going to leave this here. I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty.